Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to look at a scenario manager in Excel. So we are going to follow this question. Okay, so this is the question. Assuming a bank loan of 2 million at annual interest rate of 13% from Stanbic Bank for 3 years, determine the monthly payments for this loan. So we are going to determine the monthly payments for this loan of Stanbic Bank. We are going to use the inbuilt function, which is PMT, to get the monthly payment for that loan from Stanbic Bank. And then, assuming the following banks are offering the same amount within the same period but at different interest rates, create scenarios for the different interest rates and the monthly payments. So we are going to use Scenario Manager without wasting time. Let me launch my Microsoft Excel on the desktop. Okay, so the loan it is 2 million, and then the period it is 3 years, and then the interest rate it is 13%. Then we are going to get the monthly interest sorry the monthly payment. Okay, so we should convert the period to months, and then the interest rate to months also. So what do we do? Let's convert it. So it's going to be, to get the period, it's going to be equal sign 3 years times the number of months in a year, which is 12. Okay, press enter. So they're going to be 36 months in 3 years. So to get the monthly interest rate, it's going to be equal sign 13%, which is the annual interest rate, divided by the number of months in a year to get the interest rate for each month, and it's going to be constant. Okay, so how do we get the monthly payment? So we are going to use an inbuilt function, which is PMT. So in a formula in Excel, it begins with an equal sign. So I'm going to put an equal sign and then PMT. PMT calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and constant interest rate. Okay, so this is the format of PMT. Rate, we are going to take the monthly interest rate, put a comma, then the number of payments is going to be 36, or the number of periods, and then the present value is the amount of the loan. It's going to reduce after paying each month. So I'm going to put a negative, and then I put our loan of 2 million, and then I press enter. So this is our monthly interest rate. So let me try to format cells. I'm going to right click, then format cells. I don't want the small places, put to 0, and then the current symbol I'm going to use UGX. Okay, then I press OK. So now we are here. So we are going to build scenarios so that we can get the monthly payments for these 3 banks: KCB, Centenary, and DFCU. they have different interest rate. So how do we do that, and how do we go to scenario manager, or where do we find the scenario manager? It is here on the data. Click there and then go to what if analysis. On the drop down, it is here, scenario manager. So I'm going to add a scenario, my scenario number 1. Then my scenario name is going to be KCB Bank. KCB Bank. And then by changing cells, it's going to be the interest rate. It's going to vary. And then I don't want the comment. Let me delete it. Okay. Then I press OK. Then I'm going to change the value, the interest rate, to 10%. 10%. So now I've created my scenario for KCB Bank. You can run it and then you do each separately, but I'm going to use one report. Okay, let me just add another scenario. Then it's going to be for Centenary Bank. Centenary Bank. Okay, changing cells, it is the interest rate, which is 13%. Okay, I don't want the comment. Let me delete it. Then I press OK. Let me enter the values I'm changing. So it's going to be 11%, the interest rate for Centenary Bank, 11%. Then I click OK. I go to scenario number 3. It is DFCU Bank. DFCU Bank. DFCU Bank. Then changing cells. So I'm changing the interest rate. I don't want the comment Let me remove it. Press OK. Then I want to change the interest rate from 13% to 15%. 15%. Then I press OK. So I've now created the 3 scenarios. So after creating scenarios, I want to see my report. So scenario manager, for it is going to open a new worksheet. So how do we show, or how do we present it? So you go to summary here, summary, and then the result cell. I want the monthly payment, so I'm going to click on it. And then the report type, you can generate the scenario summary or the scenario pivot report. So for me, I'm interested in scenario summary, and then I press OK. So you can see current values, KCB Bank, result cells. So this is the monthly interest rate, the monthly payment for that bank. This one for KCB Bank. This one is for Centenary Bank. This one is for DFCU Bank. So after that, you can save your work. Thank you for watching. I remain as Kawaja Robert. I'm doing business computing here too. You can access more videos on YouTube. Just go there and search for simplified academic tutorials. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.